What's going on, guys? So in today's video, I'm going to go over why pick us as a trading Discord and what value we could bring to you. As soon as you come in, all you need to do is enter your email in our Discord link. You don't have to put a card in or anything, and you come in here and you get a free 30-minute one-on-one with me, and I go over why you're struggling. No other Discord is doing this. We just go over your trading. I show you a little bit about our strategy, and we go over why you're struggling. So as soon as you come in here, you automatically get value. You don't have to give us $1. Second, we give you levels. If you have TradingView, all you have to go in here and do is click a link right here, and all key levels go straight to your TradingView. You don't have to find them. You don't have to do them. It's a game changer. So if you're busy, if you work a 9 to 5, you didn't have time to do levels for that morning, click on this link, boom, they go straight to your phone or computer, all uploaded. Second, we give you the play of the day. So the A plus setup for the day, we're going to give you the entry, the stop loss, and the profit target. So basically, you're going to have all these levels on your phone just by clicking that link. And then you're going to set an alert. Like this was the play in the video. You see all these highs hitting here. Highs. So we're going to wait for it to break this level and retest and then go long. So that's what we would wait for the day. So you would have that all on your phone. No other Discord is doing this. So also we do have alerts. Bishop alerts right here. He's amazing. Here's his little scorecard right here. 77.7% win rate for I think last week. So he's awesome. So you get that. Whoops. We have Zabe's alerts right here. He's awesome also. I honestly don't really play alerts. I like trading on my own. I like having my own strategy, and I like knowing where my stop loss is going to go. So, but I know a lot of people have alerts, so that's why I know a lot of people like option alerts, so that's why we have them on here for you guys. We have a weekly class with SJV. SJV is our 7-figure trader. He's an actual 7-figure trader. Like, I know a lot of these Discords, will say that, but they're not, but yeah. Every Thursday at 7 o'clock Eastern time, we go over, what did we go over last time? Let's say we'll go over journaling, top plays for the week that we went over. We'll just go over anything once a week on Thursdays. So that's another thing we do. Let's pull the last thing I want to end with is, in our elite chat, SJV said, hey, we're looking up for RGTI puts. So I'll pull this up for you. So pretty much he texted that in our elite chat, and then everyone already has these levels. So we pretty much already know what he's looking for. He was looking for this to break the 200 SMA, this purple line right here. And then he was looking for it to close below the level, which it did right there. And then we were looking for a retest to get rejected. So you want to enter around here. And then that one ran so much. All the way down here. Oh, it went all the way to there. But yeah, that was like the top play. We all play stuff together. He'll shoot stuff in the chat to watch for. So now we also are a smaller community. You can go in other Discords and it'll be 10,000, 20,000, 100,000 people, and you will just get lost in it. You are going to get very high attention. Like if you ask a question, you're getting it answered. You don't get lost on the comments or anything. So I think that's pretty important, honestly. So I've been into Discords that are 100,000 messages. You throw something out there, it's gone. The text is gone immediately. So no one sees it. Come try us out. Link in the bio and Discord. Hit the like, subscribe, and come check us out. And we could do a free 30-minute one-on-one. And Yeah. Thanks, guys. I'll see you in the next one.